Keto tips and tricks. Although getting started on the ketogenic diet can be challenging, there are several tips and tricks that you can use to make it easier. Start by familiarizing yourself with food labels and checking the grams of fat, carbs, and fiber to determine how your favorite foods can fit into your diet. Planning out your meals in advance may also be beneficial and can help you save extra time throughout the week. Many websites, food blogs, apps, and cookbooks also offer keto-friendly recipes and meal ideas that you can use to build your own custom menu. Alternatively, some meal delivery services even offer keto-friendly options for a quick and convenient way to enjoy keto meals at home. Look into healthy frozen keto meals when you're short on time. When going to social gatherings or visiting family and friends, you may also want to consider bringing your own food, which can make it much easier to curb cravings and stick to your meal plan. Reading food labels, planning your meals ahead, and bringing your own foods when visiting family and friends can make it much easier to stick to the ketogenic diet. Tips for eating out on a ketogenic diet. Many restaurant meals can be made keto-friendly. Most restaurants offer some kind of meat or fish-based dish. Order this and replace any high-carb food with extra vegetables. Egg-based meals are also a great option, such as an omelette or eggs and bacon. Another favorite is bunless burgers. You could also swap the fries for vegetables instead. Add extra avocado, cheese, bacon, or eggs. At Mexican restaurants, you can enjoy any type of meat with extra cheese, guacamole, salsa, and sour cream. For dessert, ask for a mixed cheese board or berries with cream. When eating out, select a meat, fish, or egg-based dish. Order extra veggies instead of carbs or starches, and have cheese for dessert.